Assalamualaikum. I'm MD Baghdad Sintual. My ID is 222156292. Uh, Welcome to my presentation. The course of my presentation is data mining and machine learning. The topic of my presentation is LSTM architecture and practical example. Mastering sequential data with long short-term memory. Let's move forward. This is the content. Here we have LSTM architecture explained. LSTM architecture deep dive, step-by-step example, why LSTMs dominate sequential data, and the conclusion and Q&A. Next one is LSTM architecture explained. The title of this is inside the LSTM cell, how it retains long-term memory. Here you have 4 steps. One is called cell state, citation as CC. Second one is forget gate, FP. Third one is input gate and candidate memory. And fourth one is output gate. The cell state, the memory highway carrying information across time steps. Analogy like a conveyor belt updating selectively. Second one is forget gate. It has a math that was cited as FT equals sigma WF dot H T minus 1 60 plus DF function. It decide what erase. Example, in weather prediction, forget outdated temperature reading. Third one is input gate and candidate memory. It has also a math. Its function stores new relevant information. Example, at today's sudden humidity spike. Output gate. It has a formula and its function is control what to output as HP. Example, delete tomorrow's rain probability. Next one. LSTM architecture deep dive. Here we have an picture that shows us the output, cell state, forget gate, input gate. Cell state. Here, information highway. That is a long-term memory. Forget gate. Sigmoid layer. Decide what to discard. Example, in stock prediction, ignore outdated chain. Input gate. Update all the cell state with new info. Output gate. Filter cell state to next hidden state. Next slide. Step-by-step example of stock prediction. Here is an example of, here is an picture of stock prediction. It collects from various news and stock historical transaction information. It gathers as database. Database then sent to LSTM neural network and article with sentences as classifier and tag with sentences with sentiment. Then sentences with segment training the classifier and BART for training model. Then classifier sent to LSTM neural network and training and forecast. Then LSTM neural network predict the stock price forecast. Here is an example scenario. Predict Apple stock price using past 30 days data. LSTM's workflow. Forward data. Drop noise. Example, 5-year-old irrelevant data. Input gate. Add momentum. Recent 10% price start. Output gate. predicts next day's price. Next slide. Why LSTM dominant sequential data? Here is an example of how the LSTM works in sequential data. Application in finance, stock or crypto forecasting, NLP, chatbot and translation. In IoT, it predicts maintenance. What's the difference between pros and cons? Pros has handles long sequence and fewer vanishing grades. Constance is computationally heavy, needs large data sets. Next one is calculation and Q&A. LSTM, long short-term memory, is greater than RNN for long-term dependency. And one gets enable precise memory control. LSTM gets enable precise memory control for the predictive idea, while the application in time series or NLP. It has used in wide application. That is the whole one. LSTM has a feature that can be upgraded using hybrid models like LSTM, long short-term memory, plus transformer. It will be very beneficial for the society and the world. Now, the Q&A session. If you have any question about the LSTM, you all can free to ask. And that's all for my presentation today. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.